Hello everyone. Total quality management MCQ. First question. Inspection and repair examples of option A. Internal costs. Customer are primarily concerned with option A. Communication. Credibility of the salesperson. Next question. Assured quality is necessary for building customer confidence. Option A. Correct. All of the following costs are likely to decrease as a result of better quality except option C. Maintenance cost. Quality is defined by the customer is user a user-based definition of quality. Next question. TQM stands for Total Quality Management. After E. Deming, who is considered to have greatest impact in quality management? Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Deming's 4-step cycle for improvement in option A. Plan, do, check at option A is the correct answer. Next question. Plan, do, study at cyclist procedure to option B. Continuous improvement. Inspection is the part of quality control. Based on these 14 points, Deming is strong. Option C. Training and knowledge. 14-point framework for quality and productivity improvement was option C. Deming. Juran's quality triage emphasizes the roles of quality planning, quality control. Option C. Quality improvement is the correct answer. Juran's quality management philosophy is based on 3 pillars, namely option B. Improvement. Inspection of incoming outgoing items. Example of option B. Appraisal cost. Next question. As of repair is associated with serviceability dimension of quality. Option A is the correct answer. The focal point of all quality control should be option C. Customer focus. The probability of product failing within specified period of time. Option A. Reliability. It is the measure of product life having more economics and technical dimensions. Option B. Durability is the correct answer. Dash refer to the characters such as look, color. Option C. Dash refers to the level of certainty a customer has regarding the quality of service provided. Option C. Assurance. Dash is able to understand the needs of the customer as individual and meet the special requirement of the customer. Option D. Empathy. Dash should be few in number of so true. Option A. Supplier. Next question. Dash from an internal external customer or interested parties information to continually improve the organization. System, product and service. System, product and or service. Option B. Feedback. Dash eliminates the needs for inspection on the mass basis by the building quality in the product first place. Option B. Understand the purpose of inspection. Management must allot resources to train employee to perform their job in the best manner possible for institute training. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. How to measure the effects of teams, group and staff areas? You have to break down barriers. Option A is the correct answer. Dash mean inter of the annual or merit rating and management by objectives. Option B. Remove barrier that people of pride of workmanship. Option B is the correct answer. Dash to correct problem or improvement. Dash to correct problem or improve performance. Option D. Add comes under 7. The need for manager to understand the relationship between functions, activities, and the long-term aim for everyone. Option D. Appreciation for a system. Knowledge and understanding of variation process capability. Control charts. Interaction and loss function comes under knowledge of statistical theory. The understanding of human interaction, how people are motivated and what comes under knowledge of psychology. Option C is the correct answer. Dash is related to Dash refers to training, preventing, auditing and process improvement and implementation. Option C is the correct answer. Prevention cost. Dash refers to objective or the determined quality goals. To form implementation planning, to do resource planning, to express goals in quality terms, and to create quality plan. Option A. Quality planning. Dash refers to objectives or monitor, perform. To compare objectives with achievements and add, reduce and add reduce the gap. Option B is the correct answer. Quality control dash refers to the reduce waste, the enhance logistics, improve employee morale, improve probability, and satisfy customer. Option C, quality improvement is the correct answer. Quality, option D is the option D, all of the above. Dash treat quality throughout the whole business organization from the top to bottom. Integrity, option A is the correct answer. Dash appropriate measure and system should be put in place. Quality cross education, quality performance review, interview, and customer satisfaction. Option B, system. Dash refers to is most important to communicate requirement and specification and improve opportunities around the organization. Option C, communication must be clear and consistent throughout the business. Option D, policies. Policies is the correct answer. Dash refers to work within the developed supplier. Process should be capable and improved culture should be the norm. Option D, operations. Key characteristic of organization have to be measured for effective decision making comes under. Option A, ineffective measurement technique and lack of access to data results. Option A is the correct answer. Organization must understand the changing needs and exceptions of customer comes under. Option B, paying inadequate attention to internal and external customer. Team needs training and individual should be empowered to make decision comes under. Inadequate use of empowerment and teamwork. Option C is the correct answer. Lack of continuous improvement would tamper the progress comes under. Option D is the correct answer. Just to learn all questions. All are very important questions. Dash must be clear and consistent throughout the business. Option D, policies. Dash refer to it must be important to communicate requirement and the specification and improvement opportunities around the organization. Option C, communication. Dash appropriate measure and systems should be put in place for quality cost, education quality, performance, review, interview, and customer satisfaction. Option B, systems. Option A, integrity. Integrity treat quality throughout the whole business organization from top to bottom. Dash refer to the objectives are reduce waste, to enhance logistics, to improve employee morale, to improve probability, and to satisfy the customer. Option C, quality improvement. Quality control refers to the objective or monitor performance to compare objectives with achievements and to add reduce the gap. Option B, quality control. Quality planning refers to objective or to determine quality goals, to form implementing plan, to resource plan, to express goals in quality terms, and to create quality plan. Dash refers to training, prevention, auditing, and process improvement and implementation prevention cost. Option C is the correct answer. Dash refers to auditing and option B is the correct answer. The understanding the human interaction, how people are motivated, and how decision them comes under. Option C. Knowledge and understanding of various process, capability, control charts, interaction, and loss function comes under knowledge of statistical theory.